John from Live for a While channel. Here with Sam from Venom Defense and Design. He makes all kinds of great parts based out of Allendale, Michigan, a family business. So show me some of your products.
Sure. So we are an aftermarket firearm accessory manufacturer. Primarily our two biggest lines are our grips and our muzzle devices. We do the grips in billet aluminum mostly. We also do some carbon fiber, brass, titanium. We have a few different models. We do them in both raw finish as well as a variety of Cerakote colors. Similar story for our muzzle devices. We do stainless steel, titanium, a few different designs and finish options for those as well. We also do some more unique materials. This is a cast acrylic called Kieranite on our Phantom grip. Do a variety of different colors.
This is just, that is so cool looking.
Yeah, this is a newer product for us. It's not out quite yet, but should be out soon, hopefully.
I think that'll be a hot seller for the top line.
Yeah, we think so. We're very excited about that. We think it's going to offer a lot of different, unique options for customization.
Because it don't look like everybody else's
Exactly,
product.
exactly, and that's what we're after.
You got a bunch of CNC machines?
CNC machines. We have both mills and lathes. We really have the capability to do just about any shape and size of part that could possibly go on a firearm.
You work with a lot of carbon fiber?
A lot of carbon fiber, titanium, aluminum, stainless steel, a little bit of everything.
And there's no weight to this.
This is one of the lightest grips on the market. Actually, our Phantom grip with carbon fiber side panels currently is the lightest AR grip on the market at 2.1 ounces.
And I always looking at this, and I always thought, because of Glock grip, but this feels amazing. I really like it.
Thanks.
So, all right, I'll show you some of the videos, some pictures, and thanks for letting me stop by and see the place.
Thanks for stopping out.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Now, when's this going to be on the market?
This is hopefully going to be within the next month or two.
Oh, I really like this because it kind of looks like camel.
Mm-hmm.